Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's video, I got this 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 in my shop. I'm gonna be doing bulk hood paint protection film install on it. This is the first time I've ever had the chance to install PPF on one of these hoods. I've always wanted to. They look quite challenging given how many curves there are. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I got the film laid down on top of the hood. I'm just gonna lift up and get some more slip solution underneath there. That's good. This spray nozzle is chosen a bad time to start acting up. Probably gonna have to invest in a spray tank soon. Anyways, so I got plenty of overhang on each side of the hood. All I'm gonna do right now is take my tack solution and just gonna tack this to the fenders. That's good. Now, I'm gonna go over to the passenger side, do the exact same thing. So I'm going to pull the film so there's a little bit of tension across the back, but not too terribly much. Take my tack solution. And then I'll squeegee down. That's good. Now we're going to start working on the front. So I'm going to start right over here, passenger side. So because I got so much film buildup over here because of this valley, I'm going to need to stretch the film out and glass this out to get rid of all these fingers. So I want to tack it down to the headlights. Now I'm just gonna pull. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, should be able to push all that out, all the air out, I should say. Got some fingers building up here. It's because the tack didn't work. Wonderful. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to hold. It's not even doing that. That'll be good for now. Now I'll come over here to the driver's side and do the exact same thing. There we go. That's what I want. So if you look right across here, I don't have any fingers building up, but I do have one building up right here. So you know what? This is actually going to be my starting point. I'm going to take and get some tack solution right here. I'm going to stretch this out so those fingers are gone. And I'm just going to get that tack down. That's good. And I'll come across over here and get that down. Okay, we'll start passenger side and we'll work over to the driver's side. So I'm gonna get this valley down first because this could be the most difficult part of the hood. So all I'm gonna do is just pull that air out towards the back. Now we have all these little ridges. I'm just gonna get those down, lay those down flat just with the palm of my hand. I'm gonna start right over here at the top. I'm gonna come right across this ridge, go to the back. Always want to make sure my squeegee strokes are overlapped. I'm just going to take care of that. Sorry about that. There we go. Just like that. Now, just going to leave those fingers for later. Now we'll come up over here, and there's a little bit of tension going across the hood. You can see the way the film's built up. Probably should have removed that antenna, but I'll work around it. So I'm just gonna come over here, take and pull all the air out. There we go. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just getting the air out, and I'm gonna do a squeegee stroke right there. Okay, that's good. So when you're doing this, you always want to be making sure those squeegee strokes are overlapped. That's how you prevent moisture from being left behind. You are going to deal with some left behind moisture from time to time. That's common. Now if you come in closer, you can see we have these ridges over here, or not these ridges, these tiny little valleys on each side of the hood. These could be problematic areas. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get in with your squeegee and make sure everything is out. So you'll want to go over that multiple times, different angles, just that way you're making sure nothing's being left behind. Just like so. There we go. That's good. Now, I'm just going to take and pull all this solution straight out the back. actually gonna get a rag. I should have had a rag. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just drying off the top of the film and looking for any left behind moisture. And I haven't seen any yet, but you always want to be on the lookout for that. Right now all I'm doing is just introducing a little bit of tack solution to the back of the hood. There we go. That's good. Okay, now we'll go over to the driver's side and we'll do the same thing. Same thing, always overlapping squeegee strokes, just to make sure nothing's being left behind. Come down over here. Actually, I should get this valley down first. Obviously not thinking. Go. Okay, so I finally got this area tacked down. Make sure it's not going to pull back too much. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by getting this top ridge down. Go all the way front to back. There we go. And I'm just going to get all that down. There we go. Now I can work everything else. we go, overlapping squeegee strokes. I say it a million times because it is extremely important. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to get the front down, finish this hood off. So right now I'm just trying to lift the film up just so I can get all these air pockets out. Just like so. Okay, now I'm just going to take my rag. I'm going to wipe the whole hood down. Just look for some areas that have any left behind moisture. See one in the middle of the hood. If you want to come over here, you can see right in the middle. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick that up, but I should be able to just push that out the back. There we go. Perfect. Just making sure everything's good, and it is. Okay, that's how you go ahead and do a bulk PPF install on a Ram 3500 hood. It's my first time ever doing one. Now I'm gonna have to trim off all the excess film, wrap the edges, trim out where these little holes over here where the washer fluid nozzles were. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content.